Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Simple Short Smart. Today we are going to see how to make pivot table in Excel sheet. It is explained detailedly, so please watch the video till end and so you can gain good amount of benefits about pivot table. So let's catch up the video.
Hey guys, hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to see how to make a pivot table with the help of Excel. So pivot table is one of the best solution to summarize your extreme and big data exclusively available in your Excel, and you can access it anywhere and everywhere. The main benefit of using pivot table is you can just summarize any kind of big data into a small sheet. That is the big benefit of pivot table. So today I am going to explain you how to make a pivot table with the help of big data or a small data. So I have made a small data ready for you and we will be working on that. So these are the data which is available. So serial number, name, location and age and weight is this subject, and below the name I have specified some of the names, and location means that this person lives in Chennai and this woman lives in Chennai and her weight is 29 and her weight is 66 and her age is 29. So this is the base data which is available with us. So we are going to make a pivot table with the help of these details. So first of all, you need to select the entire table. So once you select the entire table, you can select the option called insert and pivot table. So once you select the pivot table, it will be just asking what are the area we need to choose. So you can choose the data and area according to your need, and it will also ask where to make the pivot table, in the same sheet or in the new sheet. So I have chosen the new worksheet. So new worksheet has been chosen. If you need to make the pivot table in the existing worksheet, you can select the existing worksheet and you have to select the location where it should be feeded. So that you can select and you can just proceed further. So I am selecting a new worksheet and making it as OK. So once you select it OK, now I can just make that small data into a summarized form. Like I need to know in which location how many persons are living and what are their age and their weight. I need to summarize in a small table. So I am selecting this location and pasting in the rows option. So I have pasted in rows option. So it clearly shows that there are only 3 locations, means that there are 10 peoples, but there are only 3 locations where these 10 peoples are living. So these 3 locations has been selected in the row option, and I need to know how many peoples are living in these particular locations. So I select name and paste in the values table. So I am selecting name and plotting it in the values option. So once I plot in the values option, it clearly shows in Chennai there are 4 peoples, Coimbatore there are 3 and Madurai there are 3. So this is the excellent tool to summarize your extreme big data. And also I need to know what are the age persons living in this particular cities and what are their counts. So I am selecting the age option and pasting it in columns. So once I do that, immediately it displays the age persons, means that one person in Chennai is with 27 age and 2 persons in Chennai are with 29 age. This is the extreme option, and you can just use this pivot table to make a graph, or also you can project to your management. And I just need to know what are the weight of these persons. So I am removing this age and plotting the weight. So once I plot the weight, it clearly shows how many persons are living in these particular cities. So once I do that, so it clearly shows that 65 is the weight of the person, and there are 2 persons living in Chennai, and 65 there is a one person who is living in Madurai, and also there is a person with 67 kg. Sorry, it is 2 persons with 67 kg who is living in Coimbatore. So it clearly shows the summary of the table exactly and perfectly. So you can just use this pivot table to just summarize your extreme big data with 10,000, 20,000 line items, and you can just summarize it in a simple way. And if you need to know a particular locations detail, you can also filter here. You can just filter here, click on the filter option and select Madurai. So once you select this Madurai option and click on the OK option, so you will just get the data of Madurai only. So this is an extremely good facility which is available in Excel. So you can just use this option and you can just work it out in a better way. So hope you guys like this video.
If you found this video useful, please press like and share button and comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to press subscribe and bell icon, as it will be helping you to get notifications of our future videos. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.